The Jaguar F-Pace, introduced in 2015, features a two-stage manual release system for accessing the hood. This design ensures safety by preventing accidental openings during operation. The system begins with an interior lever located inside the vehicle, typically near the driver's side dashboard or footwell. After using the interior lever, you'll need to access the secondary exterior latch under the front grille to fully release the hood. This dual latch system has remained consistent since the model's introduction, providing reliable access for maintenance and checks. The primary release lever is located inside the cabin. Look under the dashboard on the driver's side, near the knee or footwell area. The lever is typically marked with a hood or bonnet symbol. It's a mechanical lever, so you won't find any electronic buttons for this function. After pulling the interior lever, go to the front of the vehicle. The secondary latch is located under the front grille, usually in the center. Look for a lever or button, often marked with a hood bonnet icon. This latch provides an added layer of security. Locate the secondary latch under the front grille of the vehicle. Depress or slide the secondary latch to fully release the hood. If there's any resistance, gently wiggle the hood while operating the latch. Always ensure the area around the vehicle is clear before fully releasing the hood. With both latches released, gently lift the hood. Locate the prop rod, usually on the underside of the hood. Secure the prop rod into its designated slot to hold the hood open safely. Ensure the hood is stable before working under it. If the hood is stuck, check for ice or debris around the latches, especially in cold climates. Applying de-icer spray or warm water may help. Avoid forcing the levers. Refer to your owner's manual for specific diagrams and troubleshooting tips. Regularly inspect and lubricate the latches to ensure smooth operation. While the current F-Pace uses a manual system, future electric Jaguar models may incorporate voice-activated or electronic hood releases. For now, this manual system remains reliable with proper care.